Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks may include problem-solving, learning, reasoning, perception, understanding natural language, and more. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and aspects of our daily lives. The scope of artificial intelligence in the future is vast and continually expanding. Here are some key areas where AI is expected to have a significant impact. Automation and robotics. AI-powered robots and automation will continue to replace human labor in repetitive and dangerous tasks, leading to increased productivity and efficiency in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and transportation. Healthcare. AI can assist in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and personalizing treatment plans based on patient data. AI-driven healthcare solutions can improve patient outcomes and reduce medical errors. Natural language processing, NLP. AI technologies like NLP will enhance human-computer interaction, enabling more sophisticated voice assistance, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and autonomous vehicles are expected to become more prevalent as AI algorithms improve, leading to safer and more efficient transportation systems. Finance. AI can be utilized in the finance industry for fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, and personalized financial advice. Education. AI-powered tools can provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapt to individual needs, and automate administrative tasks for educators. Entertainment and gaming. AI can enhance the gaming experience by creating more realistic characters, dynamic narratives, and challenging opponents. Environmental sustainability. AI can contribute to environmental efforts by optimizing energy consumption, predicting natural disasters, and monitoring wildlife. Art and creativity. AI-generated art, music, and literature are emerging as new creative expressions. Ethics and regulation. As AI becomes more prevalent, there will be a growing need for ethical guidelines and regulations to address potential issues related to privacy, bias, and accountability. Despite its immense potential, the future of AI also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and ethical dilemmas. As AI continues to advance, it will be crucial for society to strike a balance between leveraging its benefits and addressing its challenges responsibly. It's worth noting that AI is a rapidly evolving field, and the scope and applications of AI in the future may exceed our current expectations. Researchers and developers are continuously pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities, making breakthroughs that could have far-reaching implications for various industries and aspects of human life. Researchers and developers are continuously pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities, making breakthroughs that could have far-reaching implications for various industries and aspects of human life.
I hope you will enjoy listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist, and subscribe to Back to Modern channel to learn more. Happy learning.